Yo, what up? Today we'll be upgrading our 2021 ASUS TUF Gaming laptop. My model has a i5 and yeah, we got one. The GPU is RTX 3050 Ti. It's a nice machine, but you know, it only comes with 8 gigs of RAM. You can only open like 5 Chrome tabs with 8 gigs of RAM. So you're gonna add another 8 gigs in. Pre-installed RAM. It comes with this like 8 gigs clocked at 3200 megahertz. You can check Task Manager on your laptop to see what speed and amount you have. The RAM I'll be using for my upgrade is this Crucial 8 gig stick, also clocked at 3200 megahertz. For the best results, we have to use like the same speed and the same capacity. If you don't use the same speed, same capacity, you might run into problems. I'll put the link in the description of the RAM I use. And this laptop ports 32 gigs, so I'll also put a 32 gig kit you can buy, and you can install that if you want 32 gigs, but you have to change like both slots of memory. Anyway, let's get started with the upgrade. If the laptop's on, just power it off, then turn it over. We need to remove the screws, all the screws. We need to remove the screws here, 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 and here. All the screws are the same length except these two end ones. They're shorter, so you gotta remember them when you're putting it back together. One of them might have like this plastic washer thing that doesn't allow you to pull out the screw completely, but you should be able to pry it open anyway. You can start like prying it open from this side. This one ends. Start prying it open from the ends and work your way around the whole laptop. Till all sides are pried open, you can start trying to lift it off. At this point, it would be good if we could disconnect the battery, but these guys glued the battery in, so we're just gonna leave it alone. Just gonna leave it as is. All we need to do is just lift this plastic thing covering the empty RAM slot, get your new RAM, align the notches. It only goes in one way, so you can't mess this up. Push it in. When it's like inside, you can lower it and press it down, and it should be held in place after you press it down. Now at this point you're done, but you need to close up back. When putting on back the cover, and make sure everything is clicks into place. When everything is in place, you can start screwing in the screws. Remember, these two sides have shorter screws. After you finish, you can power on, open Task Manager, and verify that you actually have more RAM, and we can open more Chrome tabs now. So that's all we need RAM for, man. Chrome tabs. If you liked my video, leave me a like. Or if you got like any questions, you can comment and I'll try to answer you. And remember to subscribe for more videos. Peace.